Here's how you can find the right keywords for your small business and brand.
This strategy can work across all business types. For this example, I'm going to be a local fried chicken restaurant trying to attract hungry customers. Now I'll show you how to find the right keywords that your brand should be focusing on. The biggest mistake that I see is that brands aren't thinking like potential customers and they think these broad stroke keywords will work. If I target this keyword and I'm a fried chicken restaurant, my ad could show to people interested in sushi, vegans who like salads, tacos. It's just too broad, and we can use Plai to see how many monthly searches that Food Near Me has. 16 million per month, that is just way too high for a small budget. What you should be doing is going a layer deeper and focusing on your category. We can use Plai to see how many category searches fried chicken has. 300,000 is a great number, and look at these related searches. This is great because also remember we're targeting an area around our store, and these long tail keywords drive all of the value for your brand. They're specific, they have intent, and once you find them, you'll start seeing the value come through. So before I get into the last step and to recap, we're done targeting keywords that are this broad. I mean, you can just go on Google yourself and search for Food Near Me. Look at all these options that you'd be wasting your money on for people searching for burritos, pizzas. With a small budget, you need to make every penny work like a dollar. So we're gonna start focusing more on these category searches, like fried chicken or chicken sandwiches or chicken wings. Because with our small $200 a month budget, we're not gonna convert vegans to liking chicken. Now this still has over 300,000 monthly searches. And look at this brand who's really owning this search term nicely, Sam's Crispy Chicken. That's a great job. And the last step is branded searches. You wanna own your own keyword and be at the top of Google when someone searches for you. Look at Sam's Crispy Chicken here, all the way at the top, showing off a great brand message. And we can even use Plai to search for brand names. And there's only 390 searches a month for this. So you can probably just spend $10 a month owning your own brand name and show up at the top of Google 100% of the time for when new people are looking for your brand. Now I would add special offers in the ad text, like buy one, get one free, to really get people in the door. And to recap, we should be focusing on more category focused terms to get the most out of our budget. And we can go even deeper than just fried chicken again. We can focus on fried chicken sandwiches or chicken wings or oven roasted chicken. If you have an e-commerce store, you shouldn't just be targeting t-shirts. You need to work and go that extra layer down to find those long tail keywords and get the most bang for your buck. Also, part of the strategy is not focusing on these upper funnel search terms because it's going to be a big waste of your budget.